Hi everyone. So today I'm excited to speak with you about Xenon Stack and how our suite of services and expertise can significantly impact your businesses for the better, mainly through our FinOps solutions for AWS services. So as businesses increasingly move to the cloud to enhance their agility, scale and innovation capabilities, managing cloud expenses becomes a pivotal concern. So this is where expertise in FinOps comes into play, combining financial management with operational efficiency to optimize your cloud expenditure. So our approach to FinOps, especially for AWS, revolves around three critical pillars: cost transparency, operational efficiency, and financial accountability. So at its core, FinOps is about harmonizing your financial and operational challenges to drive cost efficiency and resource optimization in the cloud. So we understand the need for cross-functional collaboration among your finance, IT and development team. So implementing FinOps with AWS as our strategic partner evolves us to provide comprehensive cost visibility and informed decision making to maximize your cloud investment. So further, AWS scalable and cost-effective solutions make it a preferred choice for FinOps. So we leverage tools such as reserved instances for cost optimization and AWS auto scaling for operational agility. We aim to ensure your business remain competitive, responsive and resilient in changing market dynamic and customer needs. So Xenon Stack excel in predicting and maintaining cloud costs, deploying machine learning models and using AWS native tools like AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Budget. So these tools offer detailed insights into cloud spending and enable setting personalized spending limit and receiving automated alerts to avoid unexpected expenses. So further, financial transparency and accountability are vital. So our utilization of AWS cost management tools allow for a detailed analysis of your expenditure, ensuring you to get the most out of your cloud investments. So moreover, tools like AWS Compute Optimizer help us to identify underutilized resources, ensuring further every ounce of your investment in optimization. So in conclusion, partnering with Xenon Stack means leveraging our deep understanding and extensive capabilities in FinOps to ensure your cloud strategy in cost effective and performance optimized. So our hands-on experience from cost control to resource optimization positions us uniquely to help navigate your journey in the cloud environment, particularly on AWS. So thanks for your consideration on Xenon Stack as your trusted partner in their journey. So we are further very much excited about working together to achieve remarkable results for your business. So let's explore how we can tailor your FinOps services to meet your needs and objectives. Thank you very much.